Welcome to Virtual Pools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Virtual Pools lead generation plugin to your Weebly website. It only takes a couple of minutes, and I'll walk you through every step, from copying your unique code to embedding it on your site. Let's get started. First, log into your Virtual Pools dashboard. Go to the Customer section and click on Lead Generator. Then, create a new lead generation tool. Select Embed on Site and choose your preferred language from the menu. Copy the provided link or code. Finally, open your Weebly editor. First, make a section in your desired place. Just drag the section block where you want it. You'll now see you've created a new section. Here, you can add elements to it. Drag the embed code block into your section. Click where it says Click to set custom HTML and select Edit Custom HTML. Then delete all the existing text and paste the link you copied for your lead generator. You'll see your lead generator appear live on the website. You can continue to adjust the placement if you like. Camera access is supported on Weebly. Don't forget to enable it in your website settings so visitors can take a photo directly. To make it work, your iframe must include the permission. Allow camera. And that's it. Your Virtual Pools lead generation tool is now live on your Weebly site, ready to capture new pool design leads. If you ran into any issues, feel free to reach out to our support team. For more guides, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.